Has your home been inundated with water? Have you had a sump pump failure, leak, or another plumbing issue that has caused water damage to your home? When water infiltration happens, you need expert help, no matter what time of day or night. We offer a 24/7 fast response service from our team of water damage specialists. We have the knowledge, experience, and equipment to do the job properly and to your complete satisfaction. Our team of trusted water damage repair experts can carry out the extraction, cleanup and dry out process quickly and efficiently, including sewage cleanup, antimicrobial treatments where needed. So whether it's your home or your business that has been affected, contact us to find out how our water damage repair service can help you.